Salam sejahtera to Encik Haris Fadila bin Hassan. Today, I will be presenting and explaining in detail regarding my case study 2 slide report and presentation for the subject of cloud computing, and the subject code is DFN40253. First of all, let me introduce myself. My name is Vinoshan, son of Nadason, and my metric number is 19DDT21F1015, and I am from class DDT4B. Question 1, case study report. The situation is EC2 offers computing capacity in the cloud, and EC2 instance is a virtual server running in the cloud. To create an instance, you need to specify an Amazon machine image AMI, which is AMI is a pre-configured machine template that contains a pre-configured operating system and pre-installed application software. Number 1, describe the following various concepts of EC2 in AWS. A, EC2 instance. B, EC2 storage. C, setup EC2 instance. And D, secure EC2 instance. Number 2 is explain EC2 cloud storage service in AWS. And number 3 is conclusion. So there are 4 concepts of EC2 in AWS. A, EC2 instance. B, EC2 storage. C, setup EC2 instance. And D, secure EC2 instance. This is question 2. Question 1A, describe the following various concepts of EC2 in AWS. A, EC2 instance. An EC2 instance is a virtual service in AWS terminology. It stands for Elastic Compute Cloud. It's a web service where an AWS subscriber can request and provision a compute server in AWS Cloud. An on-demand EC2 instance is an offering from AWS where the subscriber can rent the virtual server per hour and use it to deploy his own application. We can also terminate the instance when it is no more used and save on cost. The instance will be charged per hour with different rates based on the type of the instance chosen. B, EC2 storage. Many instances can access storage from disks that are physically attached to the host computer. This disk storage is referred to as instance store. Instance store provides temporary block level storage for instances. The data on instance store volume persists only during the life of the associated instance. If we terminate an instance, all the data on instance store volumes will be lost. E, setup EC2 instance. So first of all, we need to log in and access to AWS services. Number 2 is choose an Amazon machine image AMI. Find an Amazon Linux 2 AMI at the top of the list and choose select. Number 3 is choose an instance type. Number 4, configure instance detail. Number 5, add storage. Number 6, add the tags. Number 7 is to name our instance. Number 8 is to configure security groups and assign a security group to select an existing security group. And number 9 is to choose review and launch. Number 10 is to choose launch. Once the EC2 instance is created, we will be able to transfer the file to our EPS file system. Question D, secure EC2 instance. Securing our VPC is foundational for making sure our other cloud resources such as servers, application, and data are secure in your AWS cloud environment. Ways to secure EC2 instance is such as below. Backup EC2 instance, where we regularly backup our EC2 instance so that we can recover them quickly. Security software, we should install the host-based security protection inside the EC2 instance, such as anti-malware. And number 3 is to use IAM roles. when we first set up our AWS environment, they provide the security credentials that have pretty much unlimited access to our AWS resources, including EC2. Don't use the default AWS credential for granting users, applications, or service access to our instances. Question 1, number 2, which is explain EC2 cloud storage service in AWS. Cloud storage is a cloud computing model that stores data on the internet through a cloud computing provider who manages and operates data storage as a service. It's delivered on demand with just-in-time capacity and cost, and eliminates buying and managing our own data storage infrastructure. This gives us agility, global scale, and durability with anywhere, anytime data access. And question 1, number 3, which is conclusion. EC2 is popular among Amazon customers because of its quick installation, which allow users to access the computing infrastructure within minutes at a low cost. We can access to highly durable storage, low cost compute, high performance database management tools, and more. EC2 also lets customers easily increase and decrease the capacity for a long period of time and has a range of tools to secure data privacy. Finally, EC2 can service customers all around the world. That's all from me. Thank you.